Have a great day, dear students, respected viewers and honorable guardians. Welcome to online class brought to you by Aliazum School and College, Munshirat, Fulgachi, Feni. Dear students, I know all of you are great at studying at home and doing online class minutely and do your homework regularly. You know, due to COVID-19 pandemic, government has taken a decision to close down all the educational institutions of the country so that you can prevent transmission. The students of class 8 and 10, I have a class for you. Before going to our class, let me introduce myself. I am Shimarani Bonik and I have been working as a teacher of English in Aliazum School and College, Munshirat, Fulgachi, Feni. Dear students of class 8 and 10, this class is made for you. Dear students, can you guess something about the sentences? Our today's topics based on these different types of sentences. I am going to read out the sentences. It is a very nice flower. What a nice flower it is. Yes, you have rightly guessed. Thank you. Our today's topic's name is assertive to exclamatory. Learning outcomes. After completing the lesson, you will be able to tell about assertive and exclamatory sentence and solve the problem of that. First of all, we have to know what is assertive sentence. Definition of assertive or declarative sentence. You know, assertive sentence is called declarative sentence. The sentence which declares or asserts a statement, feeling, opinion, incident, event, history or anything is called an assertive sentence. An assertive sentence ends with a period, I mean full stop. Assertive sentences can be either affirmative or negative. Now, exclamatory sentence. The sentence which expresses a sudden and intense excitement, disgust, admiration, shock or sorrow, etc. is called an exclamatory sentence. This kind of sentence must have a note of exclamation at the end or in the middle of the sentence. Pattern: alas, hurrah, bravo, what, how, etc. plus others. For example, hurrah, we have won the match. Alas, he has failed the competition. Bravo, we have done a great job. How blessed I am to see such a sight. What a nice car you have. Dear students, here is a structure for you. It will be benefited for you. Now, let's see how to make assertive to exclamatory sentence or how to change assertive to exclamatory sentence. It is a very wonderful day. it is assertive sentence. And if you find a, an or very in an assertive sentence, then you have to write what. After that, you have to write a plus adjective, I mean wonderful. Then they plus subject, it, plus verb, is. And last of all, you have to put note of exclamation. So our sentence will be, what a wonderful day it is. Another example, it is a very beautiful place. According to, what a beautiful place it is. The man is very honest. If you find very, great, fine in an assertive sentence, then you have to start exclamatory sentence with the word how plus adjective, honest. How honest plus subject, the man, plus verb, is. And last of all, you have to put note of exclamation. So our sentence will be, how honest the man is. Another example, the weather is very romantic. Accordingly, how romantic the weather is. The place was very expensive. Accordingly, how expensive the place was. Another example, it is a matter of sorry that Soha failed in the competition. Dear students, if you find, it is a matter of sorry or regret that or we mourn that, then you have to start exclamatory sentence with the word alas. And after that you have to put note of exclamation. And you will write the rest of the sentence. So our sentence will be, alas, Soha failed in the competition. Another example, it is a matter of regret that Sarah's friend has died today. Accordingly, alas, Sarah's friend has died today. We mourn that Tomal has lost his new tab. Accordingly, alas, Tomal has lost his tab. Another example, it is a matter of praise that Rudra has played well. If you find it is a matter of praise that in an assertive sentence, then you have to start exclamatory sentence with the word bravo. After that you have to put note of exclamation and write the rest of the sentence. So our sentence will be, bravo, Rudra has played well. Another example, it is a matter of praise that he has won the first prize. Accordingly, bravo, he has won the first prize. Let's see another example. It is a matter of joy that we have won the match. If you find it is a matter of joy that or we rejoice that, then you have to start exclamatory sentence with the word hurrah. After that you have to put note of exclamation and the rest of the sentence remain as it is. So our sentence will be hurrah, we have won the match. It is a matter of joy that my sister has got a new job. Accordingly, hurrah, my sister has got a new job. We rejoice that Tunna stood fast in the examination. As usual, hurrah, Tunna stood fast in the examination. Evaluation. What you have learned today? Dear students, tell me, what is assertive sentence? Yes, you are right. Thank you. Another one. What is exclamatory sentence? Oh yes, you are also right. Thank you. Dear students, now I am going to give you a homework. Our today's homework is change the following assertive sentences into exclamatory. I am going to read out the sentences for your better understanding. Mim is a very genius student. Make it exclamatory. The man is very honest. Make it exclamatory. It is a matter of joy that we have won the match. Make it exclamatory. It is a matter of praise that Ruba has played well. Make it exclamatory. Dear students, now we are at the end of our today's session. I hope you enjoyed the class. Don't forget to learn. Wear mask when you going out. Stay home, stay safe, because you are our future Bangladesh. Goodbye, best wishes, good luck, and thank you.